Cardano value equivalent to $0.4063 a coin. The present exchange cost range 0.4017-0.4228. The earlier day close, a 0.4179. The change was 0.0116, 2.78%. Opposite rate, US to ADA. Cardano estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.3276. Exorbitant costs are 0.3424, while low cost 0.2976. The found the middle value of costs are 0.3219. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends of 0.32. Change for October 2.3%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at $0.32,000. Exorbitant costs are 0.32,000, while low costs are 0.25,000. The found the middle value of costs are 0.2897. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends are 0.2688. Change for November 16.0%. Cardano estimate for December 2024. To start with cost at $0.2688. Exorbitant costs are 0.2906, while low costs are 0.2526. The found the middle value of costs are 0.2709. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends at 0.2716. Change for December 1st. Cardano cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at $0.2716. Excessive cost 0.3372, while low cost 0.2716. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 0.2989. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends of 0.3151. Change for January 16th. 0%. Cardano conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at $0.3151. Excessive costs are 0.3506, while low costs are 0.3048. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 0.3246. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's ends are 0.3277. Change for February 4th. 0%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at $0.3277. Exorbitant costs are 0.4067, while low costs are 0.3277. The found the middle value of costs are 0.3606. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's ends are 0.3801. Change for spring 16.0%. Cardano gauge for April 2025. In the first place, cost at $0.3801. Exorbitant cost 0.4718, while low costs are 0.3801. The found the middle value of cost are 0.4182. Cardano cost figure toward the month's ends are 0.4409. Change for April 16th. Cardano cost expectation for May 2025. At the outset cost at $0.4409. Exorbitant costs are 0.5444, while low costs are 0.4409. The found the middle value of costs are 0.4838. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends in 0.5088. Change for May 15th. 4%. Cardano figure for June 2025. Before all else cost at $0.5088. Excessive costs are 0.5451, while low costs are 0.4737. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 0.5093. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends at 0.5094. Change for June's at 0.1%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2025. In the first place, cost at $0.5094. Exorbitant cost 0.5669, while low cost 0.4927. The found the middle value of cost 0.5247. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's ends 0.5298. Change for July 4th. 0%. Cardano gauge for August 2025. In the first place, cost at $0.5298. Exorbitant costs are 0.6270, while low costs are 0.5276. The found the middle value of cost 0.5579. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends at 0.5673. Change for August 7th. 1%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.5673. Exorbitant cost at 0.6313, while low cost 0.5487. The found the middle value of costs at 0.5843. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 0.59,000, change for September 4th, a percent. Cardano estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.59,000. Exorbitant costs are 0.6399, while low costs are 0.5561. They found the middle value of cost are 0.5960. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 0.5980, change for October 1st, 4%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at $0.598. Exorbitant costs are 0.6410, while low costs are 0.5572. They found the middle value of cost at 0.5988. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 0.5991. Change for November 0.2%. Cardano estimate for December 2025. To start with cost at $0.5991. Excessive cost 0.7296, while low cost 0.5991. He arrived at the midpoint of costs of 0.6524. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.6819. Change for December 13th, 8%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at $0.6819. Excessive costs are 0.6819, while low cost 0.5727. They arrived at the midpoint of costs are 0.6381. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends of 0.6158. Change for January 9.7%. Cardano conjecture for February 2026. At the outset cost at $0.6158. Exorbitant cost 0.7643, while low cost 0.6158. They found the middle value of cost 0.6776. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 0.7143. Change for February 16th, %. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at $0.7143. Exorbitant cost 0.7143, while low cost 0.5580. They found the middle value of cost 2.6467. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 0.6 reasons, change for spring 16%. Cardano gauge for April 2026. Initially cost at $0.6,000. Excessive costs are 0.6,000, while low costs are 0.4687. They arrived at the midpoint of costs of 0.5432. Cardano cost figure toward the month's ends of 0.5040, change for April 16%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at $0.5040. Excessive costs are 0.5040, while low costs are 0.4373. They arrived at the midpoint of costs of 0.4789.